Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. So last video I put how to rotate the model view. So but now I am going to tell you, but I don't want to rotate the model view, but only I want to rotate the sheet or layout view. But model I should keep same, but layout I have to rotate. So same concept, just this one you can draw by typing MV, how much you want, you can type it. So your model will be here. So double click, just type UCS, the same process, enter, click this one or this one, or this is depend which way you need. UCS, enter, here to here, enter, same command, plan, enter, and current UCS. So you see the layout is rotated and it is in the straight way. But if you go to the model, there's nothing changed, it's same as before. So you will not lost any of your coordination point or anything. If you have, it will be same. But when you are going to the layout, it will be straight. So it is easy to print out anything. So it will be helpful if you are working with the coordinated point layout. So until next video, take care, bye. Assalamu alaikum.